In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate first and last names in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you frequently work with spreadsheets and need to organize your data. Let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets where your data is located. Make sure that you're able to access the sheet where you want to perform the action. Once you have done that, take a look at the sheet and decide which cell or column of cells contains the names you wish to separate. Click on that cell, or if you want to do this for multiple names at once, click and drag to select a range of cells within that column. This is important because selecting the correct range will ensure that the split action works for all the names at the same time, making it much more efficient. Once you have your data selected, head to the top of the page and find the menu bar. You're going to click on the Data menu. This will open up a drop-down list with several options. What we're looking for is split text to columns, so go ahead and click on that option. As soon as you click, you'll see Google's intuitive system kick into action. Your column of names should now automatically split into two columns, one for first names and one for last names. If it doesn't do so immediately, don't worry. There's one more step to guide it. After selecting Split Text to Columns, you'll notice an option that says Separator might appear at the bottom of your columns or near your toolbar. Click on that, and from the drop-down list, select Space. This is because first and last names are most commonly separated by a space within the cell. Selecting Space confirms to Google Sheets exactly how you want the names split. And there you have it. Your first and last names are now separated into individual columns. This handy feature not only saves you time, but also ensures that your data remains organized and easy to handle. Make sure to double-check your newly created columns for consistency. Sometimes, if names have additional elements like middle names or titles, you might need to manually adjust a few entries. But overall, this method handles the majority of cases seamlessly. Good luck with your data organizing and enjoy the newfound efficiency in your workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these tools, the more adept you'll become at using Google Sheets to manage and manipulate your data efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity.